What's up, guys? Sorry, it's been a while since I've done my last update. A lot of traveling has been happening, gone to family weddings, and just I completely changed my platform. So there's a lot I've got to give you an update on. Let me give you the first one. I'm actually going to do a video just on this. I switched my brokers. So there's about a week and a half transition process that was, you know, pretty annoying, but I switched from Merrill Edge to TD Ameritrade, and it has been honestly the best decision I've ever made, and I'm gonna make a separate video on why that's the case. Let's see what else. Yeah, so that's really been the big piece, and then I've just been traveling a lot. So whatever, I'm not gonna bore you with that. Today has been a really nice day. Within the first hour of the day, I made $2,000 just like that, focusing on my go-to play, which was Microsoft. So Microsoft reported earnings, very volatile stock today, but it gave us so much range that it was really nice to find that exact entry point that I wanted, and I nailed it. And I'm gonna go over exactly how I played that today. So give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit me up if you've got any questions. Feel free to write comments or questions below, and let's jump right into the trade. All right, so here was my play with Microsoft. So Microsoft reported earnings. The earnings was a really good blowout, and there was really mixed reactions. I was watching it in the after hours yesterday. It pulled back, consolidated, and something must have been said during the conference call where it just rallied. And I really wish I was paying attention to the charts at this time, because I would have totally bought into it. It rallied from 280 up to like 291. All right, so that could have been a trade right there in the after hours, but nonetheless didn't capture that. So I was waiting for Microsoft, you know, for the open, and here are the levels that I marked up. I marked up the high 292, which is pretty much overhead resistance from the pre-market, and then this basing action here where it kind of popped a little bit, or just found support here 1, 2, 3 times. So I marked up that 286.92 level. So market opens up, and here's how it played out. It instantly just started selling off. I was waiting for the opportunity. I wanted to see how it would react here at that level, the 286.90 level. It did not even attempt to bounce. It just immediately flushed. So when that happened, I just kind of waited and stayed patient, was monitoring the SPYs and the triple Qs. And the triple Qs started to put on a really big reversal. And I started noticing this basing action here, and the 20 MA, which is that purple line, catching up to the price action. So what I identified, let me mark it up here, was this really nice neckline that was created right here at about 286 range, right? I didn't mark it up exactly, but the 286 range was a nice neckline for a potential breakout. Once I saw a little pop above it, I got right in with an entry at 286.04. That was my exact entry, and walked this sucker up. In total, I made $2,000 profit on Microsoft today. I played it with 1,000 shares. The first play was right here. It immediately popped in my favor, and I placed stops at break even, and I just kept walking it up. So it popped for 3-4 minutes, created a nice bull flag. Where? Right under that pre-market support level that I marked up. Boom! Once we broke out of that, it flew. And that the reason why I stayed in the trade is because when I saw that bull flag right under that support line, I said, and I was watching the triple Qs, I told myself, man, we're gonna get a nice breakout, and we did. So for that first play, let me look at my orders. Got in at 286.04. I sold at 287.47 at 9.58. So right at on this candlestick, it touched the 50 MA on the 1 minute time frame, and it got a little rejected there. So I ended up taking my quick profits at 287.47. Right there, that's about a $1,400 trade. Then it did bounce a little bit more, so I did miss out on profits there. Consolidated, and the markets just kept on ripping. They're ripping right now as we speak, actually. And I saw another opportunity to get in. So I got in at 288.29 with 1,000 shares and sold it at 288.88 at 1021. So right on this candlestick right here. The reason why I sold here, guys, was because the 200 MA, that white line, started to act as a little bit of overhead resistance. And as a matter of fact, you could still see Microsoft struggling at the 200 MA on the 1 minute time frame. So I wanted to take my quick profits once I saw its head get bumped on that moving average. And right there alone, within the first hour of the day, $2,000 worth of profits with my Microsoft trade. So if you've got any questions, feel free to hit me up. It's only 11 a.m. Eastern. I'm still going to trade for the rest of the day. Jerome Powell is going to be speaking at 2:30 to give an update on Fed policy. Let's see if anything changes there. And man, there's just a lot of opportunities. So I'll let you guys know if I take any additional trades in the afternoon. But it's looking pretty solid for today. So thanks for tuning in, guys. And we'll see you guys again tomorrow.